and the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind let go. And I don't go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci bag or the Fendi, cause she give
in bed and sleep. Just came back from church, so you have to rest. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to Boomsy Sports. You guys that have followed me through the journey of, you know, birth of Kaima, pregnancy with Kaima, all and all, your girl starts school tomorrow officially. Your girl starts school tomorrow and I don't know how I feel. We are definitely going to miss her in the house. The days I'm going to be working from home, like myself and my husband, we've talked about it, like Kaima literally, there's no dull moment in the house with Kaima, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Children are going to advance, children are going to grow. They are never going to be those little babies forever. You know, people always say this particular phase is the hardest phase, particular phase is the hardest phase, but it comes and it goes. Like someone said, and I held that so dear. It's okay, you can hear them. Okay, it's okay. The person said the days with these children, when you think they are toddlers, they are babies, they are disturbing you, they are running around the house, it's okay. I've heard you. The person said the days are longer but the years are shorter with these children, and I totally agree. But anyways, right, I usually don't do, you know, back to school shopping for my children every semester or every section. I tend to just, you know, be it's okay. I'll come and say hello to everybody. I know you want them to see your face. Hello. Tell them I'm starting school. I'm starting school. I'm starting Mama, I'm starting school. Yes. Say I'm starting school tomorrow. I'm starting school tomorrow. I'm going to school tomorrow. I'm going to school tomorrow. Oh yeah, bye guys. Bye guys. So like I was saying, right? Guys, so keep quiet, keep quiet, keep quiet. So as I was saying, guys, you guys, I usually don't do back to section shopping all the time for my children. In fact, I can't remember when last I actually did back to section shopping. If your things have not spoiled, and I tend to always buy solid things that will last my children for a while. I'm not freaked about showing anybody any video of doing back to school shopping every every section back to back. Just to show you guys, Kaima bag has come. In fact, I came in since last year and this is what we got for her. Now I'm looking at it, I'm just thinking, I said this bag is going to need a lot of attention. What I mean attention in the sense that we need to actually be cleaning it every week, right? So this is the lunch box. This is the lunch box. It's a Peppa Pig Peppa Pig bag and lunch box and water bottle. You know, Kaito's own is Mickey Mouse, and then this is the school bag that she's going to be going to school with, and this is the water bottle. Don't know if you guys can see it very well, but yeah, this is the water bottle that Kaima is going to be going to school with, and the school bag. I'm just saying that this bag is going to need, I'm going to cut all of these things out by tomorrow, I think, but this bag is actually going to need a lot of attention. And I'm just saying to myself, like, I think it's even this Kaima's bag that we're actually going to change soonest. When I mean soonest, not in the next 1 month, but this bag needs attention. This bag needs attention, and if you're going to school where there are other children and you need to pay attention to, they're not even going to pay attention to, but they'll be cautious, but I don't think they will pay attention to whether there is a slight stain on it or something. We are the ones at home that are actually going to pay attention to this bag. But yeah, you guys, I was supposed to do a placard for Kaima that says my first day of school, but it didn't come true. It didn't come true. But of course, I'll take her pictures tomorrow. Hopefully, you know, I'm the one that is actually going to be dropping her and Kaito in school tomorrow. Hopefully. Kaima looks to me like someone that is actually not going to cry, but I don't know. I don't know because she will not cry because of course she's going to school with Kaito, right? I think where she might, I might be wrong, where she might cry is when they put her in her class and take Kaito to his own class, right? She might be looking out for Kaito or Rich. I don't know, but Kama is a strong girl. That's what I know. She's a strong girl. I might be the one even just strong boy. Oh yeah, you're a strong boy, very, very strong boy. I might be the one just even looking tomorrow and be like, and she might just be, bye mommy, bye. It's me that will just be sulking on my way to work. But either ways, guys, let's just get on with this vlog. I need to also prep their meals. That anyways, I've done that already. I actually don't have so much to do in the kitchen for them, but I want to just make a little bit of egg sauce because Kama will take potatoes, fried plantain, different things and all. We've also made arrangements. You see, Kaima and her milk, they don't joke. I need to also let that school know that Kaima and her warm milk, they don't joke with it. By the time she starts looking for that milk, she becomes very fuzzy. But anyways, guys, yeah, that's it. Baby Kaima is starting school. Unbelievable. It's just to even tell you, for you guys that have been watching me for the past 2 years, I mean, what difference has, you know, 2 years made in your life? Can you believe that? You know, it's been a long 2 years that maybe you watched my testimony and you came on this channel and then you are seeing this child is now 2 years, it's now going to school. Literally, it just takes me back to, I just feel like how my parents will really feel like looking at me now, having my own family, running my own family and all. But anyways, guys, let's go on with this vlog. I definitely will carry you guys on tomorrow, fingers crossed. Let's go.
The next day.
Please won't cry, oh you guys. Everybody is feeling this except Kaima. Kaima is even telling us that she wants to go. Kaima is even telling us that she wants to go to school. The day is here finally. Kaima is starting school. It's unbelievable. she's actually very excited with the bag, everything. She's already at the door. Let me show. Mommy girl, you want to go? Want to go? Wow, Auntie Peace is already getting very emotional. Auntie Peace is getting all the time. I don't even send anybody. Kaima is like, let's go quick. Hey, who is knocking? Mommy girl is going to school. Okay, guys. Auntie Peace is quiet. Auntie Peace is quiet. Oh yeah, let's go. Blessed am I, for I walk not in the counsel of the ungodly, nor stand in the way of sinners, nor sit in the seat of discomfort, but my delight is in the word of the Lord. And His word I meditate day and night. I'm like a tree planted by the rivers of water. I bring forth my fruit in my season. My leaf also shall not wither, and whatsoever I do, prosper. Yes. You guys, Kama did not cry, oh. Kama was even looking at people that were crying like, what are you people doing here? Why are you people crying? In my office today, I will just be thinking of my baby. I even told the teacher, I said, please let me take care of my baby. That's why my mom emphasized that she'll be potty trained at least before she gets to school. I said she will tell you. They say what we do here is potty training. I said she will tell you. That's why I wore her diaper pants. She She'll tell you she wants to wee wee, and she'll tell you she wants to poo poo. You guys, it's just unbelievable, honestly. I was not crying, no. I mean, I was telling Kaima bye bye. I just saw one very long message from Onyi just now. I'm like, hey, call that beg, call that beg.
A few moments later.
Do you miss mommy? Don't cry again. Where is Kaito? Kaito is there. Kaito is there.
The next day.
Hey guys, day 2 of taking Kaima to school. I could not even continue yesterday because they had to even call me that Kaima was crying. They took her to the playground. Mommy girl thought that school is about playground. They took her to the playground and they tried to bring her back from the playground, like into the class. You want to swing? If they hear this one, I think that life is all about playing and playground. And that was one of the things that really used to. Every time I take her to go and pick her from school, she always wants to stay with their playground and play. But day 2, let's be heading to school. And then I will be heading to work as well. Let's be going. Way of sinners, not sit in the seat of discomfort, but my delight is in the word of the Lord. And in his word I meditate day and night. I'm like a tree planted by the rivers of water. I bring forth my fruits in my season. My leaf also shall not wither, and whatsoever I do, prospers. Go and prosper in the name of Jesus.
A few moments later.
Okay, they are bringing him out, eh? Did you enjoy school today?
I just is today.
You enjoy school today? Hey guys, good evening. I have been taking you guys through the series of Kaima going to school and everything. But now, Kaima has just, I don't know, she's, I don't know, today itself, as we were going, she said, Mommy, she does not want the auntie in school. I said, okay, no problem. As we got to the school, to even take her out of my body, to take her to the class, problem. But what I've just said, you know, there are 2 now that are going to school, not to rush anything. Kaima eats a lot of things than even Kaito. Kaima can eat anything, vegetables, everything. This Kaito, if you don't blend the vegetable, see him, see him, see him, see him. If you don't blend the vegetable for him, if you don't blend the vegetable, who is your baby? Kaito has been calling me baby since. I will call him, he will say, yes, baby, yes, sweetie. Yes, baby, yes, sweetie. Yeah. Go and check for it in the parlor. So I'm just trying to make quick pasta because that what I would, today I gave her fried plantain and egg sauce, and then Kaito, of course, now you guys know now, jollof rice. You guys, jollof rice. But anyways, guys, in all, Kaima has started school, and she's gonna do this. This is from 2 to 18 years, not stop. Baby girl is awake. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Kaima is awake. Yes, we're just talking, she's just bouncing. So I'm trying to prepare their food the night before. Let me just show you guys what's cooking in the kitchen. Answer them now. How was school today?
Did you enjoy school today?
Did you enjoy school today? Eh? Mommy, did you enjoy school today? Mommy girl, did you enjoy school today?
No, it's not. She was singing. Oh my God, yummy food is coming, man!
This anti-peace is another noise.
Yummy food is coming, man! Everyone. Good day, everyone. I love my mommy so much. I love my mommy so much. She's the best woman in the whole world. The best in the whole world. I'm happy her in the kitchen. You're happy her in the kitchen. Bye. Give me food. my God, we can't wait to eat this yummy food, man.
That's good.
Oh my God.
Tomorrow, party. Get another apple. Get another orange.
Oh my God, yummy food. Can't come and see yummy jollof spaghetti.
Oh, pretty.
See, yummy food.
Spaghetti chicken.
Yes, very yummy.
Very yummy. You eating it?
Yes, you take it to school tomorrow.
Oh, he has it. You put it in melon. You put it in melon. Let's drink some. Everybody!
Someone asked how I preserve like my carrots and all those things. So see, I brought this out of the freezer and it's chopped already. So I keep it in the freezer, not the fridge, or freezer. But anyways, I'll show you guys in another video how we chop and preserve this in the freezer. No, she's just been here taking your things.
I can't wait to eat.
You guys, I'm done cooking. Everybody is already yumming up, and this food is supposed to be for lunch. This thing, but my husband is not saying that it's different. Does not want curry again. He wants to use this one and break his fast. But anyways, I think I actually have to end the vlog here because I have to pick up other vlogs as well. You guys, I told you guys that I was going to rest. I am trying to rest, but I don't know if it's just me. I don't like to be, when I go to work and come back, I want to see other things to do. And you know that this our work, it comes with seasons. Now January is a bit slow, you know, and I've just told my people to take a break because we worked throughout December. But anyways guys, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and just say a prayer for mommy girl as she has started school, that you know she's going to excel in all her academics. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.